Understanding whip to stiff peaks. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in cooking and baking contexts: whip to stiff peaks. Whether you're reading a recipe or watching a cooking show, understanding this term can be quite helpful. Let's break it down together. When you come across the instruction, whip to stiff peaks, it's referring to the process of beating cream, egg whites, or another similar ingredient until they're very thick and firm. As you whip the mixture, air is incorporated, causing it to expand and stiffen. When you lift your whisk or beaters, the peaks that form should stand up straight without collapsing. This is a crucial technique in recipes like meringues, soufflés, and whipped cream, where the right texture is key to success. Achieving stiff peaks is not just about following a recipe step, it's about creating the right structure and texture in your dish. For example, in a meringue, stiff peaks allow it to hold its shape and stay light and airy when baked. In whipped cream, it means it will be thick and creamy, perfect for topping desserts. Understanding this term helps ensure that your culinary creations turn out just right. 1. Use a clean, dry bowl and beaters or whisk. Any grease or water can prevent your mixture from reaching stiff peaks. 2. Start at a low speed and gradually increase to prevent splattering and to ensure even incorporation of air. 3. Keep an eye on the mixture as it thickens to avoid overbeating, which can lead to a grainy texture. 4. Test for stiff peaks by lifting your whisk or beaters out of the mixture. The peak should stand up straight and not droop. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and importance of whip to stiff peaks in cooking and baking. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to try this technique out in your next recipe. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!